In this video, I'm going to show you how you can preview your Shopify store so you can see how other people will actually see your store once they visit it. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer for Shopify that will get you any Shopify plan you want for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So you can choose any plan. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will be almost €400 per month. But with this special offer, it's just €1. So I will leave the link with this offer on the description below so you can take that advantage and use Shopify for very cheap. Now, once you have everything ready, all you need to do is go to online store right here. And then we can click on view your store. So this is basically how your customers will see your store once they visit it on the same device you are using right now. And if you press F12, this should pop up so you can put different devices. For example, let's see how this store would look like on an iPad Pro. So we can do that. And this is basically how it should look like. We can put some zoom here as well. We can do it like this, switch to different devices, or we can also go to edit theme. And right here you have a preview as well, so you can switch between desktop or mobile. And that's it. That's how you can preview your store on Shopify. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.